Hello everyone, this is Chef Yogesh and welcome to your favorite cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for vegetable Chowmein. Again, this is kind of an Indo-Chinese recipe. So let's check it out what we need for this recipe. Hi, for the veg Chowmein, what we need today is we need some chopped garlic. We need some chopped ginger. Need some juliennes of cabbage. Some juliennes of red pepper. Juliennes of yellow pepper, juliennes of some carrots, juliennes of pepper, some diamond cut chilies. Again, noodles for that. You need your seasoning, which is salt and pepper. Need some little bit of aromat, some of the soya sauce, some vinegar. So let's start making the Chowmein now. Have a little oil. Some garlic, some ginger, go with some green chili, some more carrot, you can add more, some juliennes of cabbage, juliennes of red pepper, juliennes of yellow pepper, and some green. If you want to add more vegetables, you can definitely do it according to yourself. Once the vegetable is a little bit sauteed, you can add little noodles to that. These are the boiled noodles I've already made and kept. Nicely toss the noodles. A little bit of crushed black pepper. Add little salt. A little bit of aromat. Again, your dash of vinegar, dash of soya, this is more or less of your vegetable hakka noodles. It's done right now, but again, to make it into the Chowmein, you need to add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, half of it in oyster sauce, and if you want it more spicy, you can add a little bit of Szechuan sauce to that. Add a little bit of water to that, just to make it a little sticky and a little bit of saucy. Finish it off with some spring onion. Your veg Chowmein is ready to serve.